Every human being is born as a zygote, a single cell that is formed when a male sperm and a female egg combine during reproduction. As the sperm and the egg combine, their genetic materials are combined, giving the zygote all the information it needs to develop into the complex network of cells that makes up the human body. We must first grasp how cells work in order to comprehend how this is feasible. To get a closer look, let's zoom in on the zygote. Like all of the cells in the human body, the zygote is surrounded by a fluid membrane that contains hundreds of different proteins. Large molecules called proteins carry out several tasks for cells. Signaling chemicals connect to the communication proteins on the cell surface when the cell is ready to divide and produce new cells. This causes a chain reaction of chemical reactions and protein interactions both inside and outside the cell. Intercellular proteins send the command to divide via this series of events, passing through the cytoplasm, a fluid, to reach its destination. Once the signal protein is within the nucleus, it draws in the other proteins required to assemble the transcription factor, a substantial protein machine. The information needed to construct each protein required for cellular function is encoded inside the structure of DNA, which the transcription factor binds to once it has finished. The protein instructions being duplicated in this instance are for a protein involved in cell division. The cell can divide once the required proteins have been created. The DNA that has been copied condenses during cell division to become a chromosome, an ordered structure. The chromosomes align themselves along the cell's center and attach to spindle fibers that protrude from the centrioles when the nuclear membrane disintegrates. The centrioles start to yank at the chromosomes, shattering them. Each newly formed nucleus includes an exact duplicate of the original DNA because the split strands of DNA are identical. After fertilization, the single-celled zygote quickly divides its cells to form a multicellular embryo. This lady will rapidly change during the coming months, as will the developing embryo inside of her. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.